Hi, I'm Kat. I'm a second year theatre and performance student, and today I'm going to show you how to get from Penryn campus to Falmouth campus. So come with me to learn how to use the buses. If you are based at the Penryn campus, your main bus stop is very close to Glasney Lodge, reception, and the campus shop. Remember that there are 4 stands here, so make sure you check where your bus will be. At stands A and B, you will find the routes 3, 32A, 32B, 33, and 33A. All of these go to the moor in Falmouth as their final stop, except for the 32B, which finishes in Penryn town. At stand C, you can catch buses heading to places like Redruth, Helston, and Truro. Before you leave, you can check your journey using the Transport for Cornwall app. It lets you see live bus times, track your bus, and buy tickets. You can choose between single tickets, day passes, or weekly passes depending on how much you will be traveling. And you can also use the tap on and tap off system, which is what I usually do. So let's hop on the bus at Penryn campus. On the way, we will pass a number of useful places. First, you will see the train station, which is really near Penryn town. This is really handy if you want to combine bus and train travel, or just use the train on its own. Then we go through Penryn town itself. There are a lot of cute coffee shops here, so it's definitely worth a visit. One of the student accommodations, the Sidings, is also located here, so if you live there, this will be your local area. Next, you will see bigger shops like Lidl and Sainsbury's if you need any groceries. So if you're planning to do your shopping, this is a great place to get off. You will also find McDonald's and Burger King nearby, so if you fancy something quick to eat, that will be your stop. If you're heading to the Falmouth campus, you will want to get off at Killigrew Street. From there, it's about 10-minute walk uphill and maybe a little bit longer depending on your pace. I walk quite slowly, so it takes me around 15 minutes. If you stay on the bus, the final main stop is the moor in Falmouth. Around the moor, you will find plenty of cafes, shops, and it's a great central point to explore the town. From here, you can also catch buses to other places in Cornwall like Penzance, Redruth, Truro. The full journey from one campus to another takes around 20 to 25 minutes, but if buses aren't your thing, there are also other options. You can take the train, which connects Falmouth town and Penryn in just a few minutes. You can also cycle. There are bike racks on campus and e-bikes available to hire around town, or of course walking is always an option. So my final tips: always check the bus app before you leave in case times have changed. If you travel often, their weekly pass can save you money, but for occasional trips, tap on and tap off is super convenient. And my last tip is to always remember to check the bus routes, as some buses might have the same final destination but slightly different stops. Don't worry, you can find all of this on detail on the Transport for Cornwall app or the website. And thank you for joining me on this journey, and see you on the next video.